Welcome to TheAutoVerse, your go-to place for in-depth analysis and comparisons of the most iconic vehicles on the market. Today, we'll be diving deep into two of the most popular heavy-duty trucks in the industry, the Ford CL9000 and the Kenworth W900L. We'll be comparing their engine capacity, looks, interior features, modification history, and all the up-to-date information about these legendary trucks to help you decide which one suits your needs the best. Don't forget to subscribe to TheAutoVerse for more truck comparisons, reviews, and automotive news. Let's start with the Ford CL9000, a truck that was introduced in the 1960s and quickly became a popular choice for heavy-duty transportation. The Ford CL9000 was designed as a class truck with a gross vehicle weight (GVW) capacity that could handle some of the toughest loads. The truck was powered by various engine options, including the famous 8V92 Detroit diesel engine, which provided solid performance for long-haul operations. The engine capacity of the CL9000 varied depending on the configuration, but it typically featured a 12.7-liter engine that could produce up to 350 horsepower. This made the Ford CL9000 a powerhouse on the road, capable of hauling large trailers and navigating difficult terrain with ease. The exterior of the Ford CL9000 is instantly recognizable, thanks to its bold, boxy design that exudes strength and durability. The truck's front grille, large headlights, and aggressive stance give it a commanding presence on the road. Over the years, the Ford CL9000 underwent several design changes, with improvements made to the aerodynamics, lighting, and safety features. However, the overall rugged look of the truck remained largely unchanged, which contributed to its timeless appeal. The Ford CL9000 was well regarded for its reliability, with many owners praising the truck for its toughness and ability to withstand the demands of the job. When it comes to the interior, the Ford CL9000 offered a spacious and functional cab that provided drivers with the comfort they needed for long hours on the road. The interior was designed with durability in mind, featuring a minimalist layout that emphasized practicality. The seats were designed for comfort, and there was ample storage space for tools and equipment. In terms of technology, the Ford CL9000 was not as advanced as some of its competitors, but it offered the basic amenities needed to ensure that drivers could do their jobs effectively. The truck's interior was spacious enough to accommodate both short and long-haul drivers, with the option for an extended sleeper cab in certain models. Moving on to the Kenworth W900L, a truck that has been a favorite among long-haul truckers for decades. The Kenworth W900L is part of the W900 series, which has been in production since the 1960s. The W900L is a heavy-duty truck known for its iconic design, luxurious interior, and powerful engine options. The W900L is available with various engine configurations, with the most popular being the Cummins ISX 15-liter engine. This engine produces anywhere from 400 to 600 horsepower, making the W900L an incredibly powerful and efficient truck. The engine's torque is well suited for heavy-duty hauling, allowing the W900L to handle the toughest loads with ease. In terms of looks, the Kenworth W900L has a more modern design compared to the Ford CL9000, but it still retains the classic styling that the W900 series is known for. The truck has a sleek aerodynamic design with a distinctive, long nose front that adds to its powerful presence on the road. The exterior of the W900L is built with attention to detail, from the signature Kenworth grille to the polished chrome accents. It is often considered one of the most stylish heavy-duty trucks on the market, and its design has made it a favorite among truck enthusiasts and drivers alike. The W900L is available in a variety of configurations, with options for different chassis lengths, cab styles, and wheelbases, giving customers the flexibility to customize their trucks to suit their needs. Inside the Kenworth W900L, luxury and comfort are at the forefront of the design. The interior is spacious and designed with the driver in mind. The cab is equipped with all the modern amenities, including high-quality leather seats, advanced climate control systems, and a range of infotainment options. The interior also features a large sleeper cab, which is ideal for long-haul drivers who spend extended periods on the road. The truck's advanced dashboard layout provides drivers with easy access to all essential controls, and the ergonomic design ensures that everything is within reach. Kenworth has invested heavily in making the W900L's interior as comfortable as possible, and it's no surprise that many drivers consider it one of the most luxurious heavy-duty trucks available. When comparing the Ford CL9000 to the Kenworth W900L, the W900L clearly stands out in terms of modern amenities, design, and performance. The W900L offers more powerful engine options, better fuel efficiency, and a more luxurious interior, which has made it a popular choice for long-haul truckers. However, the Ford CL9000 was known for its durability and reliability, and it remains a classic in the trucking world. The Ford CL9000 may not have the same level of technology or refinement as the W900L, but it was a solid workhorse that helped to shape the trucking industry during its time. In terms of pricing, the Ford CL9000 was a more affordable option when it was released, with prices typically ranging from $30,000 to $40,000, depending on the configuration. Today, the Ford CL9000 is no longer in production, but it remains a sought-after classic in the used truck market. Prices for well-maintained Ford CL9000 trucks can vary significantly, with some models selling for as much as $50,000 or more, depending on the condition and mileage. On the other hand, the Kenworth W900L is a premium heavy-duty truck, and its price reflects that. A brand new Kenworth W900L can cost anywhere from $150,000 to $180,000, depending on the configuration and options selected. While this is a significantly higher price compared to the Ford CL9000, the W900L offers more modern features, better performance, and greater customization options, which justifies the higher cost. Both the Ford CL9000 and the Kenworth W900L are iconic, heavy-duty trucks that have left a lasting impact on the trucking industry. The Ford CL9000 was known for its rugged reliability and straightforward design, while the Kenworth W900L stands out for its luxury, powerful engine options, and modern technology. While the Ford CL9000 may have been a more affordable option in its time, the Kenworth W900L has become the preferred choice for many truckers seeking a combination of style, power, and comfort. To sum up, whether you're looking for a classic, reliable workhorse in the Ford CL9000 or a modern, powerful truck in the Kenworth W900L, both vehicles have their unique advantages. It's important to weigh factors like engine performance, design, interior comfort, and budget when making your decision. If you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to subscribe to TheAutoVerse for more detailed truck comparisons, reviews, and everything you need to know about the latest vehicles in the world of heavy-duty trucking.